Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Theresa Mueller, and today is Personal Development Day, Tuesday, March 7th, 2023. Today's topic is how I use the windshield of my car and rear view mirror to keep me balanced. And balance is tough, especially in the day and age that we live in. Everyone has issues, personal issues, traumas, dramas, whatever's going on in your life. And it doesn't take much when we're driving to a location to miss the exit. I have done this. Luckily, I haven't done it too many times. But when I have, it's a red flag for me to say, stop, Theresa. You're an overload. Recalculate. Look at your rear view mirror and notice how far you have come from where you started to where I am today. And that will help me reset myself and what my priorities are for the day. And when I do that, there goes the stress. So I hope you found this helpful. Register today to become an equine lymphatic therapist and join the journey of possibilities for today and tomorrow. And remember to put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.